Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and in honor of Valentine's Day this year, I decided to do this rose floral body paint. To start this look, I'm going to be using a red Mehron face paint, and I'm using this to begin sketching out how I want the roses to look. I'm using a little rose in my hand as a reference and also looking at photos on my computer. I sketch out all the roses first and then we'll be filling them in. To fill in and shade the roses, I'm going to be using regular red and kind of a burgundy red, and also some black and white to create different colors within the roses. I usually go back and forth with adding and taking away color until I like how the shading looks. Trying to keep the shading darkest kind of in the middle of the rose and lighter going out. Also, I'm shading each petal individually because if I went through and just kind of put a wash of red, it would take away the different shapes of the petals. So here I'm just going petal by petal and kind of shading as I go along. I usually fill in the whole petal with the regular red shade and then start to shade with the darker and lighter colors. These roses took pretty much all day to do, so here's a final look at all the roses filled in. And here's the completed look. I really liked all the roses and I had a fun time doing this, but this took a really long time. I just really wanted to do a fun floral look for Valentine's Day. Let me know what you guys think of this rose body paint makeup look. Would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.